Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cue tip is probably one of the most important yet overlooked aspects of your cue sports game, significantly impacting your shot accuracy, control, and overall performance. Choosing the right cue tip can transform your game, offering better spin, increased durability, and a more consistent playing experience, whether you're a seasoned pro aiming for championship titles or a beginner just starting your billiards journey. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting a cue tip that perfectly complements your playing style and skill level. Number 5. Bulletproof Break Tip. It's here. Experience the ultimate in break and jump performance with this innovative cue tip. Get ready to dominate the table. This isn't your average cue tip. It combines the best of leather and phenolic, offering superior speed, power, and chalk retention. The crystal clear finish showcases the high-quality polymer. Its bouncy feel maximizes spin and jump for incredible accuracy. Rest assured, it meets all BCA regulations. It's trusted by professional players, including junior world champions. With this tip, you'll have maximum control over spin and jump. Say goodbye to miscues and hello to consistent, powerful shots. It holds chalk exceptionally well, ensuring consistent performance throughout your game. Experience the difference. What we like. It offers superior speed and power compared to traditional tips. If you are looking for a competitive edge and want to maximize your break and jump shots, this is the perfect choice. This tip is used by professional players, ensuring top-tier performance. What people say. It's great. My game has an Achilles heel and the break was always the issue. I would never make balls off the break, so I bought this tip, and put in my 13mm McDermott break cue. I had issues with the top adhering, could be that the CA glue I was using was a bit old. So 2 times the tip flew off during the break. The 3rd time I installed it I used 120 grit like before, sanded both the ferrule and the backside of the bulletproof tip to a scuff, but this time I applied CA activator to the ferrule and the Tiger CA 5 to 10 seconds gel to the backside of the tip, affixed into place and clamped down in my lathe under pressure showing here. Not crazy pressure but just enough. After about sitting for an hour like this in the lathe I turned down the edges and cleaned it up with a little polish on the side and ferrule. This thing has so much more pop than before. My last game, as I am gradually getting used to this tip, I gave it the gusto in my break. The tip stayed on and I made 5 balls of the break in a normal 8-ball game. This bulletproof billiards tip stunned me. I had it cure all night and then broke with it today, and I was stunned. Not only did it hold chalk properly, but I'm using a 13mm shaft and I'm able to seagull break with this tip. My shaft is able to bend when I hit on this tip without it slipping. Fantastic tip from what I have seen so far. It definitely has a cool feature. It has a great response after the break. Meaning it definitely makes the ball split faster than my old tip. Number 4. Grevosea Billiard Cue Tips. Upgrade your game with these high-quality billiard cue tips. They're designed for precision and long-lasting performance. This set includes 20 durable tips, ensuring you'll always have replacements on hand. It's perfect for regular play and practice. These tips are approximately 13mm in diameter, fitting most standard billiard cues. They're easy to install and use. Made from high-density artificial leather, they offer superior durability and a smooth playing surface. Enjoy consistent shots every time. Quickly repair your cue during gameplay with these easy-to-use replacement tips. Get back in the game quickly and easily. Before purchasing, please double-check the size of your cue tip to ensure compatibility. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This is a cost-effective option that provides a large quantity of replacement tips. If you need a bulk supply for frequent replacements, this is a great value. Its standard size fits most cues, making it a convenient choice for regular players. What people say. Great tips for your cue stick. Works as good as the expensive ones. Easy to put on after watching some YouTube vids, easy to sharpen. These tips fit perfect. They're of a good quality. The glue holds them on tightly. Number 3. Scott Edward 8-in-1 Cue Tip Shaper. This innovative tool is designed to keep your pool cue in top condition. It's 8 tools in one, making maintenance quick and easy. It trims, cleans, scuffs, shapes, aerates, and presses your cue tip. You'll get a perfectly shaped tip every time. This tool easily cleans ferrules up to 13 millimeters. Keep your cue looking and playing its best. With its various shaping tools, you can easily create the perfect curve for your tip. It's simple to use and very effective. Made from durable aluminum and carbon steel, it's built to last. You'll enjoy this tool for years to come. Its compact size makes it perfect for taking to the pool hall or storing at home. It's lightweight and easy to use anywhere. This tool is a practical and stylish gift for any billiards player. It comes in a variety of colors, so you can find the perfect one. What we like. It's a versatile tool for maintaining your cue tips. If you are looking for a convenient way to shape, clean, and repair your cue tips, this is a must-have. Its compact size makes it perfect for carrying to the pool hall or keeping in your cue case. Number 2. Pengxiaomei Billiard Cue Tips. These replacement tips are a game changer for billiard enthusiasts. They're easy to install and provide a solid hit every time. With 4 different sizes, 9mm, 10mm, 12mm, and 13mm, you'll find the perfect fit for your cue. Each pack includes 10 tips per size. They're made with a durable plastic cover and leather tips, ensuring they last through many games. Get ready for a superior playing experience. These slip-on tips make repairs quick and easy, so you can get back to the game in no time. No special tools are needed. It strengthens and protects the end of your billiard cue, preventing damage and extending its life. Enjoy your game without worrying about wear and tear. These tips provide a better playing experience, helping you hit the cue ball with precision and power. Share the fun with family and friends. What we like. This offers a variety of sizes and a large quantity of tips for various needs. If you have multiple cues or need different sizes for different playing styles, this is a practical choice. The slip-on design makes replacement quick and easy. What people say. Excellent replacement billiard cue tips in 4 sizes. 4 varieties of sizes. Works well. Easy retip. I'm no Fast Eddie or Minnesota Fats, but the new tips work like the originals. Number 1. CUESOUL Cue Tips. These cue tips are designed to enhance your billiard game. They're made with high-quality materials for superior performance and durability. The medium hardness of these tips provides a great balance for most players. It offers excellent control and chalk retention. Experience the difference of premium Japanese baked pig leather. It's known for its ability to hold chalk effectively, improving your shots. These tips are designed for easy installation and maintenance, saving you time and effort. They are perfect for all skill levels. Whether you play pool or snooker, these tips are a great choice. While they may need slight shaping for snooker, it's a simple process. Get ready to experience improved accuracy and control with these high-performance cue tips. Order yours now. What we like. It provides a balance of control and power, suitable for most players. If you prefer a tip that holds chalk well and is easy to maintain, this is a great option. Its versatility makes it suitable for both pool and snooker. What people say. The kids hold their shape very well. They grab onto the cue ball for any type of English you need to apply, and believe it or not, they actually hold chalk really well. Tons of spin, chalk sticks easily. Great cue ball grip and control, hold chalk really well also. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.